Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and if this is your first time, go ahead and like and subscribe. Today is going to be a special day. I'm on my way to Boost Division because my seats for the S2000 finally came in, man. I'm so excited. My buddy Morgan just came to come pick me up with his truck. So we're headed outside now, and he just rolled up, and it's going to be sick. I've been waiting pretty much, let's see, 4 or 5 months for these seats. They've been on special order, and we're gonna do an unboxing today, so it's gonna be sick.
What's up?
What up? Dude, I'm excited.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Gonna get these baskets for fruit.
This is Christmas for me right here. Was it like five months waiting on these things?
I think so. Or 4 or something. 4
Oh man, they're so light. Yeah. Oh. Woo! It's gonna look sick. Just want to see the color on this thing. Oh man. It's so bright. I don't know if you can see the back on this thing.
No, that looks.
Jump behind you. Wait, I guess.
Oh, what's up?
All right, guys. Just picked up the seats as you saw. I was pretty much in shock and awe. I was at a loss for words because they look so fucking good, and pretty excited. Ready to put them in the car. Hopefully, I have some time coming up in the next 2 weeks to do so. You know, I'm pretty busy with work and just like everything going on, school, continuing my graduate degree, and yeah, so hopefully have some time. Either not, it probably won't happen this week, but hopefully next weekend I'll get some time, and Pat will probably help out, so that'll be good. Yeah, so I'm gonna head home first, and then I'll fully take them out of the box and probably put the paddings on them and everything like that, the cushions, and kind of sit. So I'm kind of a bigger guy, and some of the reviews said that like wider hip people have problems sitting in the seat. So I'll put it up and sit in it and see what happens. Hopefully I fit like a glove. Yep. All right, guys. See you in a little bit. All right, guys. So I'm back at the house. Got the seats out and unbagged, and these things look sick. And then it's the Kevlar back. Can't really. I mean, you probably can't tell on video, but it's got like a green hue to it. I'm pretty sure everybody knows what Kevlar looks like, but dude, this thing is crazy. It's light, super light, and I'm ready to take out the S2000 seats and see the big weight difference. It's underneath, and I got the rails in a while ago, so the rails are in the garage. So we got those, this. And it's crazy. Like, look at this. 4 fingers, easy. Pretty comfy. Oh, I barely fit in them. So I'm 210 pounds. Don't laugh. 210 pounds. And it's a snug fit, I'm not gonna lie. Pretty snug. But definitely not moving when I'm driving. I don't know. Can everybody see? Yeah, perfect.
No, you need to re-record that.
What? No. What you mean? I'm good. All right, so yeah, this is the unboxing. Everything's golden, I guess. Stay tuned for the install.
Red.
Huh?
Everything is red, not golden.
Yeah, everything is red. It's nice. So stay tuned for the install video, and if this is your first time on the channel, go ahead and like and subscribe, and see you guys next time. Peace.